If you're a CIO, you know that branch offices can be a real challenge. It's tempting to think about eliminating branches, but in a lot of industries, that's not an option, and it may not be what your customers or your employees want. Customers want a location that's convenient, and they expect their computers to be up. Unfortunately, branch offices are probably the greatest source of help desk calls and customer complaints. And while money can solve most problems, IT budgets are not growing. So what does the CIO do? You can move some applications to a cloud service, and that may be more efficient, but you don't want to solve one problem and create another. Ask yourself, does this application belong in the cloud? When you get a cloud storm with the wrong application, everybody gets wet. That's bad for your customer and your bottom line. You can be more efficient and reduce your support headaches, but you have to start by looking under the hood. The first step is a comprehensive application inventory, including the ones currently in development. I'm John, and this has been a Remote Office Tech Tip.